Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I would like to introduce you to the Southwire Tools 5-in-1 multi-tool pliers. These pliers are designed to take the place of multiple tools in your tool pouch by being able to grip, strip, crimp, ream, and cut. They are made of forged steel construction for excellent durability. They're about 8 inches long and weigh about 10.5 ounces. The first thing that really grabbed my attention about these pliers is the cable cutter style cutters. Here I'm cutting 12/3 with ground cable. Here I'm cutting 5 12-gauge wires at once, and here I'm cutting 5 12-gauge wires plus the aluminum sheathing of the MC cable at once. The pliers have stripping settings for 10, 12, and 14-gauge wire. Here I'm easily stripping 5 12-gauge wires. The tool is also a long nose pliers which is suitable for looping electrical wires. Here I'm putting loops on the 5 12-gauge wires. These pliers come with a built-in heavy-duty crimper suitable for crimping several ground wires. The pliers are spring-loaded to make them easy to use, and they have a locking mechanism that can be operated with just a thumb. They have excellent comfort grip handles. The pliers come to a very nicely machined needle nose point. These pliers are guaranteed for life. In conclusion, these pliers are very well designed, they're economical, they are both spring-loaded and have an excellent heavy-duty crimper. They have a good selection of wire strippers while providing a gripping area as well, and they have a nice comfort handle. I feel that the most outstanding feature is the cable cutter style cutter. I'll put a link in my video description for the Southwire 5-in-1 multi-tool. I'll put links for the Milwaukee 6-in-1 multi-tool, the Knipex electrical installation pliers, and the Klein all-purpose pliers. I'll also put links for the new Milwaukee 7-in-1 high leverage combination pliers and the Southwire forged combo tool with sheathing strippers. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.